Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can insert memory card, SD card in your Mi Note Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. So let's start the video. Friends, here it is SD card or memory card, Samsung 4GB. So first you have to eject the SIM tray. So first you have to need a SIM ejector tool, that is here. You have to eject the SIM tray first. Just pull out the tray like this lightly, and you can see here it is SIM 1 slot, and there it is SIM 2 slot and SD card. So I am just putting here SD card slot. So SIM 2 slot is you can't access to the SIM 2 slot. So first let's set this. You have to take this SD card and put this like this, you can see, and insert back in this port. Friends, you have to just do this and insert like this, and it is inserted. Let's open file manager, and you can see it's showing SD card. You have to scroll down and you can see here it is internal storage and here it is SD card, and it is inserted successfully, and it is showing zero storage here, and it's done. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.